Do you want to start or do I
You
start?
go.
No, you go. Co-drivers first.
What does everyone else seem to like that you can't stand?
Tomatoes. I hate tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah, I love tomatoes.
Yeah, see? Perfect.
Yeah, I know.
Spot on.
You just don't like veggies at all.
No, I like veggies, just hate tomatoes. And tomatoes are fruit, it's got seeds.
You're getting roasted.
Get wrecked, mate. Anyways, on the next one. What occupation other than race car driver would you like to try?
Would I like to try? I don't know if I'd be very good at it. I don't know. I never really thought of anything else outside of motorsport.
Yeah, that's kind of similar for me, isn't it?
It's actually scary thinking about that. News presenter.
News presenter?
Yeah. Hello, it's Todd Hazelwood here, and welcome to the news.
I think you should stick to your day job.
I should stick to my day job. What's your most unexpected talent?
I don't know. Oh, I was actually pretty good at AFL as a kid.
I was going to say maths. You seem weirdly good at maths.
I am horrible at maths.
Well, like engineering, maths, like you're good with numbers. Like,
No, I can picture things in my brain, but I
like
can't.
if I spoke to you for 5 minutes, I'd be like, this guy's not good at engineering. But it turns out you're pretty good.
I am not good at maths, let's make that very clear. What are you good at?
I reckon I'm a good singer.
Good. Yeah, actually,
Like-
you know lyrics to every single
Yeah,
song.
like I feel like I'm weirdly good with music.
Yeah, you're very.
surprises me.
Yeah, you're very good with music.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember we used to do the. Remember that Bathurst car trip from Super 2
Yeah, like
in the Ford Ranger.
can enjoy singing a song.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, he knew every single word to every song, and he's looking at me like there was something wrong with me because
Like
I
a
don't know
lost
anything.
cat.
Yeah, exactly. I don't really have much of a life apart from racing. So, what's the scariest thing you've ever done?
Scariest thing I've ever done?
Yeah.
Actually, it was, I nearly got my car bogged at Rainbow Beach. And I swear to God, like that was the highest heart rate I think I've ever had in my life.
Let's make this clear. Was it your car? Or was
It was
someone?
my car as well, so I thought my life savings were gone.
So it wasn't a team car.
No, it wasn't a team car, it was my own baby. My
So
little
that's
two-wheel drive
why you
ute,
felt
so
bad.
completely self-inflicted, and yeah, I feel very ashamed. For how could you get bogged at Rainbow Beach? Like how stupid could you be? And then that was me.
That's the scariest thing you've had happen.
Yeah. Nearly lost my ute. That's scary, right?
So I didn't realize you were so sentimental about cars.
I am, yeah. It's my baby.
Well, I guess for
What about
me,
you? What's so scary? Anything?
probably when I was at when I jumped out of that car at Norwell. Yeah, that was pretty scary.
Rode the bush.
Yeah, and then that's where I got my nickname, was when I jumped out of the car at Norwell. And I remember walking up to the car and Kurt was still strapped in, and the car was, obviously like 3 meters shorter than it should have been. And I walked up to him and I started laughing, and he started laughing because his sternum was broken. He couldn't breathe. So he was laughing, and then he's like,
And then
"Don't!"
dying.
He's like, "Don't make me laugh. I can't breathe." And then I started laughing more, and then he's like, "No, seriously, something's wrong." And then I was like, they actually sunk in. I was like, "That's pretty bad." So there you go.
What's something that's on your bucket list?
Go back to back at Bathurst.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you and me both.
That should only be the only thing on your bucket
Yeah.
list. Buddy, let
Well,
me
the
tell
bucket
ya.
list was to win Bathurst, so tick that.
Yeah,
So now you just get greedy.
yeah, that's right.
Back to
Let's
back,
go
baby.
back to back. Well, I've got the same answer, so that's that one. All right, this is a tricky one. What celebrity would you like to trade places with?
What trade places with? Ooh. It's a bit hard with celebrities because they're all like got pretty weird stories when you actually dive into who they are and what they do. So you gotta be careful who you swap with. Like, I don't know. Going pretty far and wide here, but I feel like to achieve what in the era of the sport, like what Michael Schumacher achieved and the cars that he drove, I think like that would be very cool.
He's missed a very big opportunity here. I was going to say Todd Hazelwood, but anyways, I guess I'm all right. I'm not good enough.
You want to live in my shoes?
Oh, why not? I've already have at some point.
Probably worn a few of my shoes over the years.
I have actually. Well, Todd Hazelwood, Bathurst winner.
Good guy.
Yeah.
Heard it here first.
I'm very good to my co-drivers, so
What's a question you wish more people asked you? I don't know. I actually can't think of something.
maybe why am I not as fast down the straight this year as what I was last year? That's
a
what I'd
great
like to be
question.
asked. But no one asked me that, so. What's wrong?
Juicy. No, nothing.
Mate, you get to experience it soon. All right, have we ever disliked each other, had a clash on track that you can remember?
Disliked each other. I don't know. I don't feel like we ever banged panels that much.
I've had you in a headlock once.
Yeah, that's true. I thought I was way stronger than what I was that night.
Todd tried to fight me one night.
We tried to start a fight and ended badly.
Yeah, he ended up in a headlock and begging for his life, so.
Yeah, I had to tap out. Yeah. Truth be told.
That was a long time. What was that?
We had a few cups of motivation to get to that point.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we were playing Cup of Life or something, I can't remember.
Yeah.